ashes we ignite. Ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. Rising from the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe call my name like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside, like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Hey, fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. don't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up. Break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream.